Chase Bank uses specific SWIFT and BIC codes for international wire transfers. These codes are essential identifiers that ensure your money reaches the correct destination. Chase Bank's primary SWIFT code is CHASES33. This code is used for JP Morgan Chase Bank, headquartered in New York, and handles most international wire transfers. SWIFT codes and BIC codes are essentially the same thing. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, while BIC means Bank Identifier Code. SWIFT codes follow a specific format with 8 to 11 characters. Let me break down how Chase's code, CHASES33, is structured using each component. For Chase's code, CHASES33, CHAS represents the bank code for Chase, US is the country code for United States, 33 is the location code for New York, and there's no branch code in this case. Chase also uses other SWIFT codes for specific purposes. Chase's 3A is used for certain branches, while Chassis 44 handles specific commercial banking operations. Understanding these SWIFT codes is crucial for international banking. Chase's 33 remains the most commonly used code for Chase international wire transfers, ensuring your transactions are processed correctly and efficiently. When making international wire transfers with Chase, you'll use the primary SWIFT code Chassis 33 for most transactions. This code identifies Chase Bank in the global banking network. To complete an international wire transfer, you need several pieces of information. This includes the recipient's complete details, their bank's SWIFT code, account information, and the transfer purpose. Chase provides international wire transfer forms that guide you through collecting all necessary information. These forms ensure you have everything needed for a successful transfer. Chase has significantly improved its digital platforms. You can now find SWIFT code information directly in your account details and use enhanced online banking portals for international transfers. Be careful to avoid common errors. Incorrect SWIFT codes are the leading cause of delayed or returned transfers. Double-check all codes and recipient information before submitting. Current Chase international wire transfer fees for 2024 to 2025 are $40 to $50 for outgoing transfers, with exchange rate margins of 2.5 to 4% above mid-market rates. Incoming wires cost $15 for foreign currency, but are free for US dollars. Remember, the Chassis 33 code breaks down as CHAS for Chase Bank, US for United States, and 33 for the New York location. Having accurate information and using Chase's improved digital tools will ensure your international transfers are processed smoothly and efficiently.